how I sent 2 soap cutters to 2 of my students in Bayelsa State and Rivers State.
In today's video, I'm heading to the park to send one of my professional soap cutters to my students all the way in Bayelsa State and Port Harcourt, as in Rivers State. But while preparing this delivery, I decided to talk about something many beginner soap makers misunderstand. The real difference between wooden soap cutters and iron or metal soap cutters like this one that you are seeing on your screen, which I sell. A lot of people think wooden cutters are cheaper, but are they really cheap in the long run? Let's talk about it. Why many beginners buy wooden soap cutters? Most beginners usually go for wooden cutters because they believe it is cheaper. They feel all cutters do the same work, and they think wooden cutters are lighter and easier to move around. And honestly, they may not also think anything, but just buy something out of ignorance. And honestly, wooden cutters can still work for small scale production or practice. I'm not disputing that. But there are important things many people later discover after using them for long time. The disadvantages of wooden soap cutters are as follows, but not limited to these points that I mentioned. 1. Lower durability. Wood reacts to moisture, chemical, fragrance, and caustic soda environments over time. After repeated use, the body may weaken, alignment may shift, and measurement may stop being accurate. Number 2, wire instability. With time, the wires may loosen or lose tension. This affects straight cutting, bar uniformity, and professional finishing. Number 3, not ideal for serious commercial production. Wooden cutters may still be okay for practice, for home production and small batches. But when production starts increasing, many wooden cutters struggle under continuous heavy use, especially when cutting hard laundry soaps. Number 4, the cheap price is not really cheap. This is where many people get surprised. Many wooden cutters now sell between 70 to 250,000 naira. Meanwhile, my professional iron cutter sell for around 70,000. So when you compare the price difference properly, it is no longer that far apart. So don't think it is cheap, because even this iron that will stay for a longer period of time is still being sold at almost that same price. Okay, let us talk about the advantages of iron or metal soap cutters. Now, this is where my cutter stands out. 1. Strong and durable. Unlike wooden cutters that may weaken over time, my cutter is built with strong metal construction designed for long-term production. It can withstand repeated heavy use without losing stability. Number 2, accurate and professional cutting. Because the frame remains firm and balanced, measurements stay accurate, cutting remains straight, and soap bar comes out more uniform and professional. This is very important if you want your products to look attractive and market ready. Number 3, better for commercial production. My cutter is designed for serious soap makers who want to scale production. It works very well for laundry soap, hard soap, and continuous production. Number 5, strong but not excessively heavy. One thing many people assume is that iron cutters are too heavy, but surprisingly my cutter is around 10 kg net weight, which makes it manageable for transportation and handling. In fact, This particular cutter I'm sending now from Lagos to Bayelsa and Rivers State only cost about 10,000 naira for transportation and well-being. Some wooden cutters are actually bulkier and heavier because of the volume of wood used in construction. So weight is not really an advantage wooden cutters have over this design. Number 5, better long-term investment. When you compare the durability, strength, stability, professional finishing, lifespan and production capacity, you will realize that iron cutter offers better long-term value. Most serious soap makers eventually upgrade from wooden cutters to metal cutters anyway. So instead of buying twice, many people now prefer investing once in something stronger and more professional. Now, to be fair, every equipment has maintenance requirements. For iron cutters, proper storage is important. Keeping it dry helps longevity, and occasionally maintenance keep it in excellent condition. But overall, for serious production, the advantages far outweigh the limitations. That is why many exceptional producers now prefer metal cutters for stable and steady commercial work. So today, I'm packing this cutter and sending it to one of my mentees in Rivers State and Bayelsa State. As you can see, the soap cutter are 2. Honestly, seeing my students grow to the level where they now invest in professional equipment gives me joy, because soap making is not just about learning formulation alone. The quality of the tools also affects your speed, your consistency, your professionalism, and even how customers see your products. If you are interested in soap production training, professional soap cutters, raw materials, chemicals, or mentorship, feel free to contact me. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. God bless you.